Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and we're looking at what makes up complex numbers. Okay, so complex numbers can be written in the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Now they can both be zero, but we can always write it in this form. So the complex numbers are the set of all numbers made up of the real numbers and or the imaginary numbers. So I've got the real numbers listed over here, and here's some examples of real numbers. Imaginary numbers have that I attached. Remember, I is the square root of -1. Well, the complex numbers are all of these, all of the real numbers, and all of the imaginary numbers, and all of the combinations. So if I list these all together, that's going to be the complex numbers. So examples of complex numbers would be 3 plus 4i. That's a complex number. This is going to be the real part. That's going to be the imaginary part. Now, this one has the form a plus bi, but a real number, 5, that's also a complex number. It just happens to have 0i as the imaginary part. There's no imaginary part. Or 6i, that's also a complex number. It's just imaginary, but it's complex also. So in terms of the a plus bi, this one could be written where a is 3 and b is 4. This one could be in that form because that could be 5 plus 0i. So in that case, a is 5, b is 0. And this could be written in that form because it's 0 plus 6i. So in that case, a is 0 and b is 6. So those are all ideas of complex numbers. They're written, we see them in the form a plus b. And if this was a minus, that'd be fine as well. 3 minus 4i is another complex number. But that's the idea. So the complex numbers are the set of all numbers that include reals and imaginaries and any combination thereof. Okay, hope that helps. We're going to work with complex numbers and talk about how we add, subtract, multiply, divide, powers of I, things like that. Those are coming up.